Today we did a flag presentation ceremony. We've been doing this annually for the Senior Center to kind of kick off Memorial Day every year. And they donate the wreath that they have to us for our ceremony on Monday, which will be at 10 a.m.
This is something we do every year, I guess, for the past 3 years.
Yeah, well, actually, we did it about 3 years before that, and then they started doing it annually in the last 3 years.
Commissioner, you're always at these ceremonies.
Yes, I am. You know, there's no one that supports the vets any more than I do. Unfortunately, I was never allowed to serve my country, but I can help by supporting our vets. You know, I've been very active. Recently, the commissioners tried to do away with the VSO, and I put my foot down and said, no, it's not going to happen. So I'm always here to support them. They've taken care of us for so many years. It's my turn to help take care of them.
I see. And we had a nice crowd out here as well, Tom.
Yes, we did. Had a very good crowd. They have a good crowd out here every year for this event, and it's a pleasure to come out and do it for them.
One of your final messages as you were speaking was what Washington had to say about Memorial Day. What was that?
Well, they sent out an email to all the BFW posts across the country and stated that they wanted the flags at half staff from sunrise until noon as a congressional order.
I see. And real quickly, Commissioner, you're a big supporter of veterans. You're also a big supporter of the Pahrump Senior Center.
Yeah, you know, that's a good thing you brought that up, Selwyn, because Jim and I have been working with Senator Reed's office and others in Washington trying to get funding for a new center that will be adjacent to this property. They have 5 acres over here that they could use, and I'm working very diligently with the Reed's office to try to get that congressional grant to take care of that.
I see. Seems we've just about outgrown this facility.
Yeah, I think this is pretty much maxed out. I think there would be more people to come if they could get in, but as you see, when you go in, the tables are all full, and it's like every day. And it's time to you know, either build another senior center or just expand this one. And the consensus of the Senior Center Board was to expand this facility.
No doubt we'll continue to follow that. Real quickly, sir, how's the campaign going?
Pretty good. I'm about 40 points ahead in the polls and loving it. And I'd like to thank the Floyd family for allowing to donate the Senior Center to begin with for all these years, and they've done a wonderful job.